So hi guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the makeup I got from Divine Gold Makeup. So let's review the foundation. They sent me these beautiful foundations. They sent me 3 shades in tan, deep dark and ivory. It comes in like this. When you open the top, it has this seal right here. So this is in tan, this is ivory, deep dark. None of them is obviously my shade, but I am going to try to make it work. Okay, they have other shades, so you can go to their page and check out your shade. Let me see, what if I mix them together? Oh my god, I look so funny. But we just have to make it work. I have to make it work. Okay, I have to make it work. Let me just give it some time to, you know, settle into the skin. This is what we have. I promise you, if you get your shade, this is perfect. Good. And a little can go a long way. So when you get this foundation you want to use, a little can go a long way. We have their concealers here. So I'll be using this one to highlight. Pum. Pum. Blend the concealer. Wow, this concealer is so creamy. These products are divine, just like the name implies. Divine Gold. These products are divine, especially these concealers. I'm in love. This is for contour. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My face have some structure now. I'm happy. So they also sent me some lip glosses. I'll be using these 2 shades as my blush. 1, 2. This one. This one is beautiful. It looks like mango. Did I just say mango? Can you see the pigments? Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Ew. It's extremely pigmented. I think one pump will have to do the work. This is it. This is it. And I forgot to say that the lip gloss on my lip is actually also from Divine Gold. And this is it, without setting powder, without anything. So I decided to set it with a translucent powder. You also have this stop the sweat. I did not use this because I don't actually sweat a lot. So see you guys in another video. Bye.